What's up, homie? It's Tony from LCSIGN. Today I'll show you a creative light box. Check it out. This is our desktop light box here. Super convenient and practical. Look, desktop light box adopts magnetic structure and double-sided design, so you can replace the poster at will according to your actual needs. Alright? Just need to open the button and change the poster. Then it will automatically attract by the magnet for quick replacement without any installation requirements. Composed of tempered glass, strong durance, and not easy to wear. Carefully selected high-quality LED circuit board produce even light. Extra long battery life for 12 hours on a single charge. No wiring required. Different form other light boxes. In addition to its ultra-thin design, the desktop light box is smaller and truly lightweight without any installation and space burden. We also provide desktop light boxes in different sizes for you to use. Besides, the desktop light box can be operated via mobile app. Look, you can adjust the light brightness, actual needs like I did, and set the times to turn on them. Convenient and easy to use it, right? What do you think of this unique light box? Comment to let me know and follow LCSIGN.